Mm, Almay, almu, almuy, almuy, almuyhu, almuyhuda,
Al-Maw.
almaudu, almaudu, du,
Al-Maw'udatu.
almaudu,
Yes. So you know the next page?
yeah.
Okay. Finish it this three letter.
Oof. That's. Can I do one? That's like a little too like thing in my for me. Like that's a little too advanced.
No, Momo.
Yeah.
I teach you this lesson, okay?
Okay.
Mim, Waw, Fatha, Mao,
Mim val fata mau
Zad, Waw, Zamma, Zu,
zod val zamasu
Mawzu,
mauzu
Ain, Fatha, A,
ain fata a
Ta, double Zammatun,
ta dabu zamatun
Mawzu'atun.
mauzu wadun
Next one. Mim, Fatha, Ma,
mim fata ma
Wa, Fatha, Wa,
va fata va
Za, Ya, Kasra, Zi,
zaya kasrazi
Mawazi,
mawazi
Noon, Zamma, Nu,
nun zamanu
Ha, standing Zamma, Hu.
standing zamahu
Now it's found Mawazinuhu.
mawazi dohu
Next one. Ya, Waw, Fatha, Yaw,
yeah, wow, I mean, fatawa,
Mim, Fatha, Ma,
mim fatama,
Hamza, Kasra, I,
hamza kasrahi,
Yawma, I,
yauma i,
Dal, double Kasra, Zin,
zal double kasrazin,
Yawma, Idin.
yauma idin.
Yes. The lesson number 11. Okay.
Okay,
The Sakoon and Jazm. Where is Jazm? This is Jazm shape. Okay.
okay,
Jazm and ba Sukoon. I mean ba silent. Alif with connected ba as Alif ba Fatha ab. Okay.
okay,
The introduction. Have students memorize the name and shapes of Jazm and also answer these questions. What is Jazm? What is Jazm? This is Jazm. Okay. This is.
okay.
What is the letter with a Jazm called? How many times that letter is read or pronounced? Has students dis- discussions between several,
Distinguish between
yeah,
seven.
similarly
So,
pronounced letter like sa, sin, sod,
uh,
dal, za, and za. Okay.
okay, okay,
Uh, alif have a fatha, alif have a fatha, and ba have a jazm. Jazm meaning sukoon. Sukoon meaning silent. Okay.
okay,
Every letter alif have a fatha, zama, and kasra with kasra. Alif have a fatha with kasra with zama, and the remaining letter ba, ta, sa. Every letter have a jazm and silent. Okay.
okay.
Now alif fatha ba ab. Read.
Alif bata ab,
Alif ba kasra ib.
Alif ba kasra ib.
Alif ba zamma ub.
Alif ba zamma ub.
Now it sound ab ib ub.
Abu ibu ubu.
Yes. Next one, right?
Alif sa.
This is
Alif
not sa.
sa. Is that sa?
This
Oh,
is not sa.
alif do zamma ibu.
This is alif have a zamma, fatha and kasra.
I mean, sorry. Alif alif do fata ibu. I mean,
No.
ew. Oh, ah,
At.
at
Next one.
alif alif do kasra ti.
Alif ta kasra it.
Alif ta kasra it.
Okay, next one.
Alif ba zum. I mean, alif do zuma i
Ut.
utu utu.
Now it sounds.
Ad atu itu utu.
Oh, okay. This shape, this is alif not, this is Hamza, okay?
Okay.
Hamza sa fatha as.
Hamza Hamza dot.
Hamza sa fatha as.
Hamza ta fata az.
Hamza sa kasra is.
Hamza sa kasra is.
Hamza sa zamma us.
Hamza sa us.
Now it sound as. Read it as
As asu
is
isu tusu.
us. Yes. Okay. Next one.
I'm sorry, my cat keeps scratching me. Ow. Sorry.
Momo.
Sit down.
Momo.
Sus, stop. Su,
Momo.
no.
Momo.
Sorry, my cat.
Momo.
Yeah.
The lesson I taught today, memorize each by next class. I have
Okay.
it sent it to you, okay?
Okay.
This page, this completely page, practice the next class for, okay?
Okay.
This page, practice for next class, okay? Today's weekend, and uh, after weekend, next class, okay? Okay.
Yes.
Where is Ida and
She's in the
uh,
living room with Fatu. I
here
don't
to
think they're going to be doing lesson today.
take class? Take class?
Huh? You're not going to do
Fatu,
lesson today.
yeah, I hear lesson today.
Yeah.
Call Fatu and Ida.
They're not going to do lesson today. Fatu does not have iPad.
Where is Fatu?
She's in the living room.
Hmm?
She's in the living room.
Slowly, speak slowly.
She is in the living room.
Call Fatu.
I can't. I'm going to get in trouble. They told me to leave them alone. I don't want to
Mama?
get in trouble. Yeah?
Hmm? Stop 1 second.
Stop what? They told me I can't, they told me I can't. They're not gonna do it today. So
he will take the class?
Not today, no.
Why?
I don't know.
Call. Call Fado.
Or
Go, call Fado.
they're not gonna. I'm gonna get in trouble. I've already.
Okay. And now you can go. Momo.